So we've established that the length of my pace is 0.6098 meters. That allows us to calculate the length or the distances along our traverse. We're going to do a fairly simple traverse. We're going to try and trace out a square on the Earth's surface. We're going to start here, very close to where we started the 100-meter leg. We're going to go north until we meet the bike path, a distance of 109.5 meters. And then we're going to go west, the distance of 108.5 meters. We're going to come back through this gap between two buildings here. We're going to go 107 meters south, and then we're going to finish that leg past the Coral Tree Cafe back to our point in the middle of the pathway. So each of those legs I've translated into a distance. I measured these distances using the Terrago toolbar from the 7.5-minute quadrangle map from the Goleta quadrangle, which I downloaded from the National Map Viewer. So those are reasonably precise. As you can see, it's going to be kind of hard to get to distances of a single centimeter when we're pacing. The azimuths were given to me by the Terrago measure tool, and these are correct to true north. So to move to magnetic north for the compass that I'm going to use in the field for each of the legs, the compass bearing along which I'm going to walk, I need to know something about the declination. So here's the declination diagram that I've copied from the topographic map. It gives us the 2012 magnetic north declination at the center of the sheet, so it's a little bit of an approximation. And it gives that declination from true north of 12 degrees and 55 minutes. And that's 12 degrees 55 minutes east of true north. Now I looked up on the map that's in the textbook that at this point we're losing about 5 minutes of declination every year, so that would reduce that amount to 12 degrees and 45 minutes. So I'm going to round that up and call it 13 degrees. So now I'm going to take those 13 degrees of declination and subtract them. Remember, east declination, east is least, so we subtract and use it to correct each one of these. I'm also then going to take each of my lengths in meters and use this multiplier to convert it into paces. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 13 to each of these values. I get okay, got all four. As you can see, it's almost a square. These are close to 360, 270, 180, and 90. That's exactly 90. And each of those lengths is somewhere around 178 paces. Let's go out to the field and do it.